I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to receive money through HSBC, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Access your HSBC online banking by entering your username and password. This is the first step to manage your transactions. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, find the Payments or Transfers tab in the main menu. This is where you can manage incoming payments. Step 3. Select Receive Money option. In the Payments section, look for the Receive Money option. This will guide you through the process of setting up your incoming payment. Step 4. Provide necessary details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the HSBC link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Review all the information you've entered and click Confirm to finalize the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. I hope this guide helps you receive money effortlessly through HSBC. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.